Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. If you are not yet a subscriber, please consider subscribing to this channel. I bring you celebrity gossip each and every day. So guys, today I come bearing bad news. Guys. You know one thing about Usne, she will self-sabotage you, girl. One thing about her, she will self-sabotage. So 1 minute we are happy that she is getting married. 1 minute we are happy that she is getting bookings, to appear at certain events. 1 minute we are happy that she is starting her own business, and then all of a sudden, girl, she is no longer getting married. She's getting dumped, and she is allegedly cheating on the guy who is supposed to pay lobola. So obviously, like Ukaina is not gonna carry on with this lobola thing. He is not and guess you know what's worse? Ukuthi ugirl usnitshwe abangani bakhe. The friends are the ones who told the boyfriend ukuthi this girl is cheating on you. This girl has been cheating on you. So for now it is still alleged because they don't have proof. It could be maybe the friends are jealous of her, or it could be false accusations, or it could be true because hey guys, now we are move on. Okay, we are move on. 1 minute to now lona, 1 minute to now lona. I don't know. At this point, I really don't know, Shem. I feel sorry for Usne. I feel sorry for the family. 1 minute they are happy that at last she managed to put azitholele umuntu naye. She's making something of her life. They were just excited before the year ends. Then it was over. She is just sorting her life out. But Kesana now sekuvela my chats. The friends were sending messages to the boyfriend telling him that hey, wena wara uyajolelwa, uyachitelwa, kuningi is just a lot. Hi Kesana, hey guys, be careful of your friends. Be really, really careful of your friends. Even if it is true that she is cheating, but to expose your friend like that, Pela, when obviously you are my friend, you will know all my secrets, but to just expose me like that, some people, ayikho right le nto abayenzile. But yes guys, Sne's lobola negotiations have been cancelled, and look at the money that this guy was willing to spend for Usne. This guy was willing to spend like nobody's business, 13,000, about 11,000, about 9,000, and Westusne already has children, but this guy didn't worry about that because, you could tell Utishem Ukai was just taken, and he was in love. What I self-sabotage, okay. I think maybe it's true, Gesana, when they say inhliziyo ifuna lo ekufunayo, because inhliziyo kasine, it seems like it didn't want this guy, But yes guys, as I said, allegedly, it is still alleged for now because we do not have proof that Usne was indeed cheating. Sizobona khona. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.